Okay, this is the shape that we're going to be doing. This is the front side of it. It's just the side that shows the most detail. And the first drawing we're going to do is an oblique cavalier, which is the one that's full distance. So I'm going to need to start with the very front face. Now I'm going to go a little quicker than I would in class, just because I know that you can stop and rewind this whenever you want to. So I'm going to pick a point on my page which will represent this bottom left corner. And this is a simple square, so I'm just going to go up 2 and over 2, down 2, and back. So I have this front square right here, which is this front face. So you start from the front and work your way backwards. So now coming back on the right hand side, notice I have a 1 square depth. So I'm going to come back at a 45 degrees. So that means 45 degrees means I'm going to have to go corner to corner. So I'm going to come back 1, 2, same distance here. So I'm going to come back 1, 2, and from the bottom as well, 1, 2. So now I can go ahead and put in my vertical lines and my horizontal line here for my width. So this first block is done. Now in the second layer back, or the second vertical faces I get to right here. So I did this one first and I kind of move back, and now I'm going to do these. I'm going to have to go to both the left and the right. So I'm going to have to go to the right. We'll do this one first. Over 2, over 2, down 2. So that's that front facing face. And now over here I'm going to have to go up 2 to the left. I have a width of 2 up here on top. Have a height of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's as far down as I can go, because this next part is hidden behind this front square. So now again, I'm going to come back at a 45-degree angle. So that's from this corner right here, lines up with this corner. So I'm going to come back 1, 2 from the bottom, 1, 2, and again I'm going corner to corner. From this top corner, I'm going to come back 1, 2 from this corner right here. Come back 1, 2. Now I can go ahead and close off the widths in the back. Bring this line down. Now, here we have an inside corner. So I'm going to need to bring that back 1, 2. So now when I drop down to that inside corner, and I come across the back 4. And down 2 over here. So again, you start front face, move back full depth, next forward looking face, move back full depth. So this would be an oblique cavalier. So cavalier is a longer word. That's the easy way to remember that. Those are the ones that go full distance. We'll do oblique cabinet here in just a moment.